Yes, people. So we're in the Medina in Sousse, Tunisia, and of all the days, flashing down, pissing down with rain. It's crazy around here. It's not as crazy as Marrakesh, but let's go for a walk around. The streets covered in puddles, shit everywhere, cats. Gotta watch where we're walking because I'll go flying on my arse. It's on an air dry, Bill. Hello, no shukra.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
We're just going in a circle. Let's go left. We need to head like in, don't we? I can hear the call to prayer in the background. I like it, to be honest. I love Arabic music as well. But we haven't got a clue where we're going. We're on the lookout for like a cow's head. We want a cow's head. Everywhere sells knickers and bras. You're into your black shirt. This is the place to be. All we're missing is the Tower of Strange Ways prison, like Berry New Road here. All the jarred clothes. My man's come to this us.
It's expensive.
Very expensive. Did you see? They were all cleaning. I think it's called a ritual wash or something, innit? Did you see that? They wash the nostrils, armpits, arms, feet before they go to pray. We're in the jewellery indoor market now. It's like Hat and Garden without the garden. We've come here at the worst time ever because it's raining, it's shutting, and it's dark. We've got an Abra going around the world and getting locked in Medinas. So it doesn't happen here. Not asked if it does, like. I don't even think you can get locked on up in this one anyway. But where are we? Like a maze. Dinner? Mad here, innit? Having a little chat to himself. Just a big fella. It smells like someone dropped a container full of nail varnish here. It stinks. Hello. Ah, it's some hill, this. Oh my God. The places we go. Salam. Been shopping. Shukran. Oh God. This street must be piss street because it stinks of piss. Oh God. Horrible. Strong, innit? Shield Road. Oh God. The streets are Boston, aren't they? Hey. I said on Google they're like 5,000 years old. So it's literally Liverpool's only what? Not sure. 1200s I think, Liverpool. So this street is literally older than Liverpool. Local shop. I reckon this fella's the local grafter. Free for 100. Free for 100? Yeah, shukran. It's not just for a shopping spree or a foodie's dream. It's the great mosque of Sousse which surrounds the Medina. It's one of the oldest mosques in the world, built in the 9th century. The majestic site stands as a testament to Tunisia's rich history. If you're marvelling at the architecture, dodging a goat, because honestly they do pop out, or pretend to be a knight of the castle tower, the Medina offers a perfect blend of past and present. Get your camera, your bargaining skills and a healthy appetite, because the place will make you want to come back for more. don't know where we're going now. Literally just walking wherever the roads take us. This cannon. It's boss, isn't it? At this point, we haven't got a clue where we are at all. Just look. We're at the back. It's time to try some Tunisian coffee or what other shit they sell in here. Let's go in then, Bill. Salam. What do you sell? Coffee? Okay, one coffee? You choose. Just one coffee.
One coffee.
Any. It's okay. Just one coffee. Any coffee.
Coffee. There's coffee, sir.
Okay, which one? Nescafe? Shukran. Wi-Fi? Man hasn't even scanned it. Hey, they just noticed the girl who's making our coffee is about 12. That's only here, that's here. Shukran. Very nice. I haven't got a clue where I've gone here. I've just gone for a walk around the shop. Let's see what's around here. Hopefully no one's asleep. Random. Cool, this like, innit? I thought it might have been a toilet or something, but it's obviously not. It's just where the locals go and sit and chill out. I don't even drink coffee, but when in Rome, let's go see how much this cost us. her 10 dinar, which is like £2.50, and she's coming back with a change, so there's no chance of taking any change off her. Liverpool. Liverpool.
Liverpool, yeah.
Me, Liverpool. From Liverpool. Those scousers get everywhere. Yalla!
Please don't.
Good. Au revoir. Baslama. Everywhere's shut, so we're just walking around. Imagine staying there, my God. Gonna go into this 3D magic high place in the Sousse shopping centre. Looks quite cool. Something to do. Just where you take selfies with various people and things. Suppose it'd be a bit of fun, won't it? Give it a go.
Nice.
Going to try and get a taxi back to the hotel, so let's see what the charge is. Coming here with 12 dinar. Sajja. We got one. Salam. How much Mahaba Palace? 12 dinar?
Marhaba
Palace.
Palace, yes.
12?
Yes.
Shukran.
15 dinar.
10? Shukran.
15 dinar.
10?
10, I think.
15?
15.
Yeah, 15.
Okay. Yeah. He hasn't tried to scam us because it was 12 coming, but that was via Bolt, so 15 back is fine. It's very cold today.
Yes.
Weather shit, isn't it? The rain. Bad for business, lad, innit?
In France, je parle français.
Ah,
Ah, je parle français.
no français.
Ok.
Français, très bien.
Français, anglais, très bien.
Merci beaucoup.
Ah, anglais.
Je m'appelle Chris.
Ah, je m'appelle Khalifa.
Kenneth.
Khalifa, oui.
I need a wee.
Yes.
Take that back. Scandals.